Hello everyone! Kuyog nato karon si
Variety ikaw magkinay.
Viraidal Ikaw Maghinay or also known as Buboy. And karon mag-storytelling ta. Inan kag stories, boy?
Ah,
Tigbasa po kag stories. Unsa di kang grade room mo?
grade 3.
Grade 3 po day ka, no? Ganahan kay kag mga stories. Unsa na po kay mga stories imong nabasahan?
Dagat.
Kanang about sa dagat.
Ah.
Kinalagay kag dagat, boy? Well, karon, unfortunately, dili man good about sa dagat ang atong story. Ang atong story is entitled The Super Reader Marco. Unsa gani, no? Super Reader Marco. Naka-idea kinsay authors ani, boy, or kinsay gasulat?
Wala.
Well, actually, to tell you, ang gasulat or ang authors ani nga story is none other than me together with my two other classmates. Now, ready na ka? Sige, mag-start na ta. Once upon a time, on the corner of a busy street, lived a boy named Marco. Ang saglit name sa boy?
Marco.
Yes, Marco. To most people, Marco looked like any other kid. But he actually possessed a wonderful secret. Amina buya, muni ang secret. He didn't need a giant rocket to visit the moon or a time machine to see a T-Rex. He just needed a story. Na, ang iyang secret daw boy, dili niya kailangan ng giant rocket para makaadto sa moon or time machine para makakita og dinosaur. Unsa gito yung need?
Read
Read a?
story.
Yes, exactly, a story. And every morning, as soon as the birds started their chirp, 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 inigtingog do sa mga birds, Marco would wake up with a wiggle of his toes. Ingani, wala to mo, iyang ilihok iyang toes, kada mata niya. He was so excited to start his day that he would sing while brushing his teeth. Na sa sobraan niya kay excited mag-start siyang adlaw. Magkanta daw siya while toothbrush saya ang nipon. Yes, yung nipon. Yes. Even with a mouth full of toothpaste bubbles, he would hum a happy tune about how much he loved to read. Naunsa gito yung kantahon daw? About how much he loved to.
Read.
Yes, ganahan jud kay siya mabasa, no? Now, Marco treated books like delicious snacks for his brain. Yun sa niya pag-treat ang books, delicious snacks para sa yang,
Head.
yes, sa yang brain, no? Exactly. Now, Marco would read while waiting for the bus, and he would read at night in his favorite fuzzy pajamas. Now, while daw hulat siya sa bus, magbasa siya. And and magbasa pud siya at night in his favorite fuzzy pajamas. Yes. And one day, Pamina, he found a shiny blue book that smelled like a deep sea mystery. Now, usa daw ka adlaw na siya nakitaan nga book. Unsa gito'y color? Blue.
Blue.
Yes, blue book that smelled like a deep sea mystery. Na deep sea mystery. Di ba ganun mga stories about anong body of water? Yes. Mo yung nakita no, boy. And as he opened the cover, the walls of his room seemed to melt away. Now, pag abri daw niya sa libro, murag nag-transform ang iyang palibot. Suddenly, he wasn't standing on a rug anymore. He was a captain on a stormy sea, gripping a giant wooden ship wheel and steering through the waves. No? He wasn't standing on a rug anymore daw. Diba, nag-transform naman yung palibot. Yan atong imagination ang nag-work. He was a captain on a stormy sea daw. So, siya may nag-drive sa barko. He felt as adventurous as a certain yellow sponge who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Ka-familiar ka anak na character, boy? Yellow sponge who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Kinsa?
SpongeBob.
Mga SpongeBob, no? Tiglandawan ka na niya?
Kikoy.
Sa diha? Or kaantod karon?
Yeah.
Sa diha ra, okay. By the time the sun tucked itself into bed, Marco's head was spinning with dreams of dragons, robots, and rockets. So, by the time daw nga padulong na siya matulog, bisan iya ang head bitaw kay patulog na, ang iya ang huna-huna, mata pa. His head was spinning with dreams of dragons, robots, and rockets. And he realized that as long as he had a book, his adventure never had to end. So nakarealize daw si Marco nga, as long as naa daw siya libro nga magunitan, yang adventure, dili daw maundang. Gets ra nimo boy? Okay. And so as the moon climbed high, he set his book down and fell fast asleep, dreaming of all the stories he hadn't even discovered yet. So, Buboy, if you ever see a boy with a book in his hand and a giant smile on his face, take a close look because it just might be Marco. The end. Human na tong story, boy. Sabdan na mo? Okay, no. So, human na naman tong story. But before na to i-end ang atuang storytelling, mag-ask sa og questions. Okay ra? Sabtan na nimo ang story? Okay. Unsa ganito ang secret nga superpowers atong bida? Is it flying or is it reading?
Reading.
Yes, reading. No? Kay ganahan mo kay siya. Books. Yes. Kinsa ganito to ang bida? Si?
Marco.
Yes, si Marco. And di ba sa tuwang gistoryahan ganina, niadto man to si Marco sa dagat ug sa moon kuno. Ikaw, if na-magic imong libro, asa man ka ganahan mo adto karon? Sa dagat, ka ganahan mo teleport.
Dagat.
Sa dagat, ganahan dyan kay dagat doon. So, di ba si Marco pod, ganahan man siya mubasa samtang nakapajama. Ikaw, unsa man imong mas ganahan? Hata mag-storytelling, maglingkod ng diary sa sofa, sa bed, sa mga kaganahan. Asa kaganahan? Kanang para basahan ka. Sa bed, para diretso na kung tulog. Asa, diri lang? Para ganaan ka maminaw dyan o makasabot, no? Okay, now last question na ko. Wait, unsa gito atong title sa atong story?
Parida Marco.
Yes, very good. Humana na ta, boy. Very good. Humana na ta. Clap your hands. Okay, thank you. Thank you kayo sa pagkuban ako, boy. Next time na pod. Next time na pod na, dear. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.